Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. Today I'm working on this beautiful Scots pine. As I mentioned in my last video, this is a series of update videos. So I worked on this pine almost exactly 2 years ago, and now is the time to rewire it. But there is something else. Let me show you closely. So, ever since last wiring, I am bothered by this unnatural curve which continues into the lower branch. So, I'm thinking to cut this lowest branch off and make the gin out of this curve. Of course, this is the big decision, so let me cut the wire off first. This is not just about cutting the old wire off, but it is also about removing the old needles, cleaning the tree, and of course contemplating about the big decision to remove this branch or not. Now, as all the wires are cut off the tree and old needles removed, the ugly U line is even more visible than it was before. But there is one simple solution. We can rotate the tree for approximately 45 degrees. And with that we hide the ugly line and even improve the dynamic of the tree. But nevertheless, I decided to cut the ugly branch off. Many times I get the question why I don't post the videos more often, but there is much more to do besides filming and editing. We here in Tora School are working on all sorts of levels. We offer the workshops for beginners, then advanced workshops. We also have all year round workshops, then apprenticeships and much more. Although I don't have time to work on my trees and filming when I am working with students, I must say that I really enjoy teaching. Wiring such mature tree, the tree with such ramification as this one, can be really easy, but in the other hand it can be also really hard because I want to do it perfect without any mistake, without any crossing the wires and so on, because it might be exhibited with this wire on in a season or two. So I really want it to be perfect. Only with constant work on our trees we can achieve the improvement through years, and then our hard work is finally paid off. With this final result of rewiring this spine, teaching the students, and hard decisions, we reach the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks to all of you who support our channel with clicking the thanks button, and see you all in the next one.